CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3 Given a scenario, use features and tools of the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. System information. System information is a Microsoft Windows utility that provides comprehensive details about your computer's hardware, software, and system components. This tool assists in understanding the overall configuration of your system. Think of system information as the encyclopedia of your computer. It gathers and displays information on everything from your operating system version and hardware resources to software environments and network settings. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem, planning an upgrade, or just curious about your system specs, this utility gives you the details you need. To access the System Information utility using the Windows Run dialog box, you can follow these simple steps. First, press the Windows key along with the letter R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Next, type msinfo32.exe into the Run dialog box and click OK. This command opens the System Information window, where you can start exploring your system's details. The System Information interface is organized into a simple, easy-to-navigate layout with two main panes. The left pane contains a tree structure with categories such as System Summary, Hardware Resources, Components, and Software Environment. Clicking on any of these categories displays detailed information in the right pane. For example, under System Summary, you'll find essential details like the operating system version, manufacturer, and system model. Hardware Resources provides insights into interfaces that enable data exchange and memory usage. Components show detailed information about devices like display, storage, and input peripherals. Software Environment includes details on system drivers, environment variables, and running tasks. By gaining familiarity with system information, you can efficiently diagnose issues, plan upgrades, and gain a deep understanding of your system. This tool provides detailed insights into your hardware and software configurations, allowing you to quickly identify resource conflicts, check driver statuses, and verify hardware specifications. Whether you're troubleshooting a malfunctioning component or preparing for a system upgrade, System Information gives you the data you need to make informed decisions. Mastering this utility not only enhances your diagnostic and planning capabilities, but also equips you with the knowledge to maintain optimal system performance and security. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.